Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates, and we're going to address a specific question that was asked us. I'm going to read it to you verbatim. The question that we were asked by our viewing audience is, do you need to pay taxes separately if that inheritance makes taxable income? So the question, I believe, basically is if you have an item that you inherit, let's say you inherit some account, and the account is growing, and there's a taxable event as a result of the increase in value. Does one need to pay taxes on that separately? I'm not sure if that question means if you get a divorce, does the person who has that asset pay taxes on it? It's really a question that should be specifically directed to a tax professional. But I will tell you that when we look at the divorce, when we're talking about dividing property, separately acquired property or property that comes from an inheritance which is kept separate is not going to be commingled for the purposes of property division. It's going to be left separate. So if you inherit something, like an account or a piece of land or whatever you inherit, and you keep it separate as your own, then it's probably more likely than not going to be considered in play for the purposes of dividing it. Now that means the property. It could also mean the income from the property. It could also mean the liabilities that arise out of ownership of that asset, which could mean the taxes too. Remember, though, the court has the ability to look at the inheritance item and say, for reasons of equitable distribution, that you're going to get to keep the corpus of the property, but the increased value is the marital asset. Or you may be able to keep that property, but if you keep the property 100%, then you're obligated to cover the taxes on it and the liabilities. You keep 100% of the item, you keep 100% of the burdens associated with the item. So the court certainly has the discretion to make those determinations. If you have any questions about that or about the property in general, give us a call, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.